Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 6.1 question number 8a. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Right? Greater than minus 20. Therefore, A. Here you see, write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Greater than minus 20. You know that in a number line like this, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is minus 1, minus 1, and this is minus 2. Right? In the right direction, right, the number is increasing. Right? Here we have to write 4 negative integers which is greater than minus 20. Suppose here let us take another number line. Here it is 0 and here it is, suppose this is minus 20. The next number is minus 19. The next number is minus 18. Next number is minus 18. That means if we go in this direction, right, the number is increasing. Right? Therefore, minus 20 is 20, then minus 19, minus 18, it is increasing. Right? Then 4 negative integers, that is minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16. Right? In this direction it is increasing. Therefore, 4 negative integers greater than minus 20 are minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16. Right? These are the 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Now question number B. Question number B is, write 4 integers less than minus 10. Less than minus 10. If we draw a number line here, it is 0, it is 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14. Right? Suppose this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, then minus 4, it is minus 5, it is minus 6, this number, this is minus 7, this is minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 13, minus 14. Right? We already told you that if it goes in the right direction, the number is increasing, and if it goes in this direction, left direction, the number is decreasing. The number is decreasing. Right? That is decrease. In left direction it is decreasing. Therefore 10 minus 10 is here, right? Decreasing, that means you have to go in this direction, right? Therefore that is numbers are minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14. These are 4 integers which are less than minus 10, right? So I already told you that in this direction, in the right direction, the number is increasing, in the left direction it is decreasing. So the number is minus 10, right? This is minus 10. You have to write 4 integers less than minus 10, therefore minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, and minus 14. In question A, you see here, once again we are repeating, write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Suppose 0, this is minus 20, minus 19, minus 20. In this direction, it is increasing, right? Therefore, the numbers are minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16, right? Write 4 integers less than minus 10, less than minus 10. This is minus 10. In this direction, it is decreasing. In this direction, it is increasing. Decreasing, therefore, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14 are the 4 integers less than minus 10. And minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16 are 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. This is the solution of question number 8. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share.